The search engine result pages are crowded these days. In fact, at SEOClarity, we discovered that there are over 1,200 different search features that can show up on a page, many of those before you see the first organic result. So does traditional ranking really matter anymore? Enter SEOClarity Visibility Share, the only rank tracker that shows you your true position in search results. Don't think in terms of search result pages anymore. These days it's all about the fold, what shows before the user has to scroll. Fold opportunity shows us keywords where we're in the second fold, but there's a first fold opportunity for ranking. We want to optimize those first and become more visible in search. Our proprietary share of visibility metric shows how visible you actually are in the search result pages. The closer to 100%, the closer to the top of the page your keywords results appear. See who your true SERP visibility competitors are, including Google SERP features, and how your domain compares to them in the race to own top-level SERP real estate. What matters now is not so much where you rank as whether your prospect will even see your result. SEOClarity Visibility Share turns on the lights where other rank tracking tools leave you in the dark. Ask for a demo today.